Are you ready to hit the shore? Not so fast. These first 5 items can make or break your port day. Hey fam, welcome back. I'm Andrea.
And I'm Edward.
And together we're the Allens from It's an All-Inclusive Travel. After 30 years of exploring the world, we've learned a thing or two of packing smart for cruise adventures.
This is part 1 of our 3-part series on the top 15 must-pack items for your off-ship cruise activities.
We're talking about 5 core items you would want to bring for any shore excursion, whether it's beach day, shopping, or sightseeing. And as always, we have a few bloopers because we're not perfect. We're just showing you who we are.
I'm perfect.
Let's get into those first 5 items.
Number 1, day pack, beach bag, or a dry bag. Your day bag is dedicated for excursions or port day. This allows you to leave your main bag in the cabin. It should be lightweight, comfortable, and big enough for everything to fit in one place. If you're doing a beach excursion or water activity, we recommend a dry bag. We personally use this bag right here. This is one from a company called Marchway. So I have this blue bag. My wife has this pink bag, so we have these matching bags that we would use. These are dry bags that we use when we go to the beach, but we'll also use them when we're just going out on excursions or perusing around the city. The great thing about this bag is that it's large enough to carry all of the items that you need. We often carry a lot of electronics around for our content, so we'll put them inside this bag along with any clothing, our passports, anything that we're carrying with us throughout the day. We also will put water and a few snacks in here as well. The way these bags work is you just take it and you will roll it a bit just to seal it. And then they have these clips on here, okay, where you clip it together. All right, and you're ready to go. The great thing about this bag is that it has these straps. You can wear it like a backpack. It also has this little locking mechanism here, so if you just want to carry it around. I can also carry this bag in the water. It actually floats. So if you're at a location where you don't want to leave it on the beach and you don't feel secure, just take it with you in the water and you're going to be fine. All your contents will remain dry. We actually used these bags on our last trip that we went to Curacao. And here's an example of a lighter bag that you can simply just fold up, ball it up, put into your luggage, take it with you. So this one is not waterproof. So we'll utilize this bag if we're going day exploring throughout the city and we're definitely not going to go to the beach and we know it's not going to rain. So this is lightweight as well. And again, these are going to be your main bags that you take throughout your day. And that way you can leave your main bag on the ship. All right, and we love these bags for our tropical areas that we go to because you never really know when it's going to rain. And this bag makes sure all your essential items stay perfectly dry.
Item number 2, refillable water bottle. Staying hydrated on port days is crucial, especially in warmer destinations like the Caribbean or the Mediterranean. You have the option of a collapsible bottle. We tend to use steel. It's compact, lightweight, eco-friendly, and most importantly, it keeps our water cold all day. Not all cruise excursions include free water, so this tip can save you money and keep you refreshed. If you have a favorite flavor or liquid IV, toss that in too. Whatever keeps you drinking the H2O. Please remember, some medicines do not mix well with the sun, so staying hydrated is an absolute must. Trust me, walking around dehydrated can definitely make you miserable quickly. Let's not do that.
Number 3, the good old passports or government ID. Hey, some ports require you to carry your passport or ID to re-enter the cruise ship. We always keep ours in our waterproof bag or our pouch with our other port documents. And we make sure that the inner pocket is always zipped to avoid them being compromised. And if you don't want to carry your passport with you, at least bring a copy, but always check what the port actually requires. Also, having your ID on hand is just smart. Accidents happen, excursions go long, you name it, it will happen. I need you to remember you are at an international location. It's always better to be safe than sorry.
Number 4, let's talk about these towel bands. These little bands can keep your towel from blowing away on windy beaches or the pool deck. They definitely come in clutch. We all know when the wind picks up, the wind gods always win. I used to fight with trying to keep my towel down until I discovered these little babies. They're super light, come in fun colors, and they take up no space or weight in the suitcase. These little things are perfect for claiming fame to the beach chairs. They can help you spot your towel amongst the sea of cruise-issued towels. Unless everybody goes out now and buy them, which is totally fine. These are really, really cool.
Number 5, credit card and cash. When traveling internationally, some shops and excursions only take cash, especially the small vendors. All right, we bring a mix of 20s, a few singles for our trip, and a credit card that doesn't charge a fee for purchasing internationally. If you're shopping at local markets, negotiating is even easier with cash. We also recommend getting an RFID wallet. This type of wallet blocks radio signals to protect your credit cards, passports, or IDs from wireless data theft. And remember, do not flash cash all around. Keep it tucked away and secure.
That wraps up part 1 of our must-pack items for off-ship cruise days. Whether it's your first cruise or your 10th cruise, these items will help you explore like a pro.
If you found this helpful, tap that like button, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you don't miss part 2, where we'll cover 5 more items that will ensure you stay cool, connected, and protected during long shore excursions, beach days, or walking tours. Oh, like that?
No, not like that.
Oh, and at the too much.
Way too much.
Here we go. If you're doing a beach excursion or water activity, we recommend a Daypack.
We tend to use steel. It's compact, lightweight, eco-friendly. You
want me to tie one around your neck?
I know you would want to. They can help you spot your towel amongst the sea-issued ones. Boo, stop.
Everybody know this universal sign, making it rain internationally.
No, because then you're going to try to put that on there. Don't even do that. Don't do that to me. We're not doing that. No, we're not. I will fight. Do us a favor. Please be sure to drop a comment below and tell us what your favorite things are to bring on port day.
Until next time, remember to travel smart, travel different, travel all in.